Yo, look, it's Will. It's been 30 years since Fresh Prince premiered. That's crazy. Let's take it back.
Oh, that's hot.
Check it.
Now, this is a story all about how my life got turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute to sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Or Wakanda. I am the king of Wakanda, actually. The Fresh Prince is the best show there. I love it. Check it. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playgrounds where I spend the most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school.
When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. The shit you moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air. I wasn't for a cabin when it came near. The license plate said fresh, there were dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say that this cab was rare, but I thought, nah, forget it, go home to Bel Air.
21, I 24, 21, up to the house about 7 or 8, and I am to the cab of your home, smell you later.
Look at my kingdom, I was finally there. I can sit on my throne as a prince of Bel Air. Yeah, that's right, it's Kendrick, baby. I love you, Will, keep it up, dog. I love Martin too, man, that shit cool, though.